Welcome to Database Searching Basics, selecting resources to search. Knowing which resources to search for information is the first step in finding literature that will be useful for your research. In this module, you'll learn about the difference between a database and a platform, and why it's good to mention both when documenting your search strategy. You'll also learn how to select resources that are most likely to have information relevant to your topic, and where to find these resources on the library's website. When searching for scholarly literature, you may hear the terms database and platform used interchangeably to describe the thing you use to search for articles, but there is a difference between. Technically, a database is an organized collection of structured information typically stored electronically in a computer system. So what does this mean? Think of it like this. A database is a collection of files. Bibliographic databases, such as Medline, Embase, and CINAHL, are kind of records or files with specific types of metadata, such as title, author, and abstract, that are used to organize and find scholarly literature. On the other hand, platforms are the user interfaces that you use to search a database. Just as Google is a platform or search engine for the web, so too are the platforms Ovid and EBSCOhost for the databases Medline and CINAHL. So, databases and platforms are different things. A single database can be searched by different platforms, and a single platform can be connected to and search multiple databases. PubMed is one such example. When you search PubMed, you are searching the Medline database along with PubMed Central, which is a full-text, open-access database for articles, and Bookshelf, the National Library of Medicine's database for full-text, open-access books and book chapters. When you decide to search a database, be sure to note the platform you're using just in case you need to rerun your search. The Research Medical Library subscribes to over 235 databases covering a wide array of subjects, ranging from clinical medicine to patient education. With this many databases to choose from, how do you decide which one to search? First, to get to these databases, go to the library's website at www.mdanderson.org/library and hover your cursor over the Find Information tab in the blue bar at the top of the website. This is where you can access all kinds of resources, including the log and all of our databases. Click on Databases, located in the second column, and you'll see the database's web page is organized into three groups: core databases, databases by subject category, and an alphabetical list of all the databases the library provides access to. The library's core collection of databases comprises 12 of the most popular and frequently used databases, which cover most of the biomedical and health sciences literature you'll need for your research. You're probably already familiar with PubMed, the most frequently used biomedical and health sciences database in the world. PubMed is a great place to begin search because it is multidisciplinary and has a very user-friendly search interface that feels a lot like searching Google. Type one or two keywords in the search box, and PubMed automatically matches your terms to medical subject headings and related synonyms. PubMed covers all kinds of biomedical and health sciences literature. Scopus and Web of Science are also easy to use multidisciplinary databases, and they include the option to sort the search results by the number of times the articles were cited. This can be handy when you're looking for high-impact papers. Nurses and allied health professionals will want to check out CINAHL for topics unique to these disciplines. And experienced searchers can use Medline and Embase on the Ovid platform to construct complex search strategies by using field tags to tell the platform which fields to search for the terms. The library also provides access to specialized databases for various subjects, such as business and hospital administration, conference abstracts, evidence-based resources, journal impact factors, oncology, and statistics. Now that you've learned about the difference between a platform and a database, and have an idea of which databases would be best to start your search, click on the quiz to test your knowledge. It's not graded, so the correct answers will appear once you submit the quiz. Once you complete the module, you'll be awarded a badge. And remember, if you need help, ask a librarian.